Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a gorgeous 1969 Pro Touring Camaro. Beautiful paint. It was actually painted by the guys over at Boyd Coddington's shop. Shows like brand new. About 1,200 miles on the build. Sitting on US mags. Staggered fitment. Disc brakes all the way around. It's got a 3-inch exhaust, all Mandrel bent with an X pipe. QA1 shocks. They're adjustable in the rear. The paint is unbelievable. Beautiful fitment of all the panels. And a 468 under the hood with Canfield aluminum heads. Power steering, power brakes. Serpentine system. No expense spared. Paint's like glass, you can literally reach into it. Light tint on the windows. Steel hood, also been modified. It's about a 3-inch cowl on here. There she is. 468, roller rocker motor, pump gas, Canfield aluminum heads, serpentine system. Nice big aluminum radiator with dual electric fans. K&N Air Filter, high-rise manifold, double pumper carburetor, hooker headers. It's an X55 car originally. This car came from California. MSD ignition, distributor. Hood's been modified too to let the air out, the heat out. Runs nice and cool. It's cold here today. It's about 40 degrees or so. I'm gonna do a cold start for you. Beautiful white interior. Billet handles. Just brand new. Pro Comp gauges. $1,265 miles on the build. And it's cold, cold, cold right now. I wanted to start it cold for you. Tilt wheel, Budnick steering wheel. Interior is all brand new. It's got a Tremic 5-speed in it. Really nice. Pioneer sound system. White interior against the black, which is fantastic. Brand new. Runs and drives like a brand new car. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's webeautos.com. Hope to hear from you soon. Thanks a lot.